Seagull craft construction. Step 1. Prepare these materials. Paint, paper plate, a pair of googly eyes, white glue, scissors, paint brush, marker, orange construction paper. Step 2. Fold the paper plate into half. Step 3. Draw two curvy lines from the rim of the plate down to the fold. Step 4. Open out the plate and cut along the lines that were drawn. Step 5. Turn over the paper plate and paint it with the color of your choice. Step 6. Fold down both wings and paint them with another color of your choice.
Here are some adaptations for you to consider. Option 1. Use Velcro strap to secure the paintbrush onto the student's hand. Option 2. Wrap the paintbrush with a towel. Option 3. Use a wooden-handled sponge brush.
Step 7. Cut out a small triangle for the beak using an orange construction paper. Step 8. Cut out the feet of the seagull using the orange construction paper. Step 9. Glue the beak, googly eyes, and feet. Step 10. Leave the artwork to dry. Optional, you may add feathers to the wings. This is the completed artwork. The end.